Get wrecked, Lucas. You're trash. You're completely trash. Trash. Get wrecked. Yes. I just love playing the Switch. Hey there, I wanted to show you a magic trick. Okay. So, see these handcuffs? Put your hand in them. Okay. So what happens next? Oh, I'll show you what happens next. Wait, what are you doing? You just handcuffed me to the bed. Yep, now I get to play or Switch all I want. And here's some entertainment. Oh God. Wait, what are you doing? You'll see. Look what I put on the TV. Oh God, no, please no. Please no, stop it. Which one should I make him watch? Which one? Oh Jesus. Here's something. What? No, what are you doing? My Switch now, bitch. No, please no. You better uncuff me right now. Oh, too bad. I'm not uncuffing you. I threw the key in the garbage, noob. Oh no. Skip that. No, please don't leave me. Yay, I'm uncuffed. Get me stupid cuffs. You know what this means, right? Oh, Jesus. That's it, you're done. And I have something to show you too. There we go. No, please don't make me watch Gotcha. Please, you know I hate Gotcha. Too bad, this is what you get. Time to get back on my Switch.